how to add favorites on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. And okay guys, here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the content preference. Okay, tap this. And now you can see here in content preference the favorites. And now you can add people and page to prioritize their post in feed. And okay guys, you'll have to do to add favorites is tap this. And okay guys, here in favorites, on this search bar, you can search the people you want to add as a favorites on your Facebook account. And also below, you can see the friend list. Okay, you can scroll down for more friend list. And also you can tap the page by show the page available on your feed. Okay, so for my example, I add a page. So I add this Richard Kabili vlog. So okay, to add this page on your favorites, okay, you'll have to do is tap the add button on the right side of this Richard Kabili vlog. And okay guys, we have successfully added. So okay, you can also add more page, but you can also add a friend. Tap the friend and select the friend you want to add. So for example, I add this Raiden Kabili. So tap the add button on the right side to add this friend to your favorites. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully add favorites on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.